take a look at what today's trading session has panned out to be for us, and it's been completely flat, if you could call it that. Not much happening on the Nifty, although towards the last 30 minutes or so of trade, we've seen a little bit of an uptick coming in on Nifty, and we're close to closing 0.4% higher on the Nifty, 24,684. Although it doesn't look like we might be crossing the 24,700 mark. Remember, we are still almost 75 to 100 points lower from the day's highest point, but we've seen meaningful recovery from the day's low as well. So looking good for the Nifty, and that ends well. So we're looking at about a 0.5% gain coming in for the Nifty right now. Sensex has underperformed the Nifty today nominally, but not much to worry about because the 0.3% uptick is what we've seen on the Sensex as well. But missing that 81,500 mark is going to be the Sensex in today's trading session. What has not done well and has taken a tumble in today's trade is Nifty Bank. It's the top sectoral loser as well. It's a 0.1% cut coming in. At one point it was lower by almost 0.5%, so meaningful recovery from the day's lowest point coming in for Nifty Bank as well, and 54,882, so short of the 55,000 mark on Nifty Bank today as well. Advance decline ratio steeply in the favor of the advances today. On the back of that, we've seen India Wix also simmer down quite significantly in today's trading session, and India Wix is also a metric that looked good. In fact, a 5.5% cut coming in. We're very close to slipping below the 17 mark as well, so looking very good on India Wix also today. Let's pull up the broader markets and see what kind of moves we've seen from there, because the real show of strength has come from the broader markets in today's trading session. Nifty mid-cap up 1.2%. The small cap index has once again beaten the overall market, and almost a 1.5% uptick coming in on the Nifty small cap index today. So looking very good on this front as well. Sectorally, let's take a look at what's done well and what's not. Nifty Metal continues to shine in today's trading session, looking very good. A 1.5% uptick coming in on Nifty Metal. You had names like SAIL, NALCO, Hind Copper, NMDC, Tata Steel, Jindal Steel that all did very well today, and all of these stocks which I just mentioned are trading with gains of more than 4% today, or around 4%. So looking very good for all of these names in today's trade. Followed by metal, you had realty, energy, IT, media, auto, pharma, PSU banks. It was the FMCG index that has made a very smart, quick recovery onto the green once again from the red. So last couple of minutes of trade, FMCG has tilted over. It looks like Nifty Bank may also tilt over to the green, but well, that looks a little shaky right now. Nifty FMCG on the flat line with a slight hint of a positive bias coming in. So those were the sectors to talk about, and let's talk about some stocks today. Garden Reach, Cochin Shipyard, Mascot, all of these defense stocks once again in focus. Very stellar moves coming in. Garden Reach, in fact, up 15.5%. You also had good set of numbers coming in from Garden Reach, but other than that, the entire defense sentiment that's playing around, all of these stocks are doing very well in today's trading session. You had Zydus Life and Aurobindo Pharma, positive news flow coming in from both of those companies, but both of those stocks were under slight pressure in today's trading session. Zydus Life has managed to tilt over to the green now. We don't know if we can say, no, we can't say the same for Aurobindo Pharma, because that still continues to be in the red. So 2.5% cut coming in on Aurobindo Pharma right now. Asian Paints, what we understand from Economic Times sources early in the morning today is that Reliance is looking to revive their plan of selling 4.9% stake in Asian Paints. On the back of that, Asian Paints was in deep pressure today, one of the top Nifty losers in fact in today's trade. 1.5% cut coming in on Asian Paints in today's trading session as well. Lastly, Adani Green to watch out for. Adani Renewables has inked a new power project in Kevra, Gujarat, so positive news flow coming over there. Other than that, you had RITES, lots of other stocks that were earning, Edelweiss and other stocks that were earnings candidates in today's trading session. But this is how we're summing up for the market today. A 0.4% uptick coming in on the Nifty. It looks like we have ended sub the 24,700 marks. We'll give the rate some time to settle, but that's how we're wrapping up for the day.